Welcome to this presentation on theory of mind, specifically looking at challenges with theory of mind. So I want to just start with a definition. Theory of mind, that is the ability to understand that others have their own beliefs, desires, intentions, emotions, and knowledge that might be different to our own. In a nutshell, that's what theory of mind is: the ability to understand that others have a different life experience or preferences than we have. This is theory of mind. The ability of theory of mind is actually crucial for social interactions. So, for example, it helps children understand that others might have different thoughts or feelings. And that in turn will lead to skills like sympathy and taking a different perspective, or as we call perspective taking. So, in your early years setting, understanding for us early years practitioners, understanding theory of mind, it can help practitioners to give support to children in developing social skills and navigating interactions with their peers. It is important to remember that children from 0 to 5 are in the very early stages of developing this ability, this theory of mind. So, obviously, patience and guidance, these are key factors to support them in understanding and navigating the social world around them. But let's jump into this presentation and see how theory of mind can create challenges for some children. So we're just going to look at a few bullet points of when children have difficulty developing theory of mind. So it can be hard for children to understand why people do and say the things that they say or the things that they do. And that's all about the perspective. It can be hard for them to have a conversation or tell a story. It's harder for them to understand a character's perspective in storybooks. It's harder for children to make friends and to engage in pretend play. All of these things call on theory of mind to understand that different people have different beliefs, desires, intentions, emotions, and knowledge from yourself. So these are things that are particularly difficult for children. And certain groups of children may have difficulty with developing theory of mind at all. And these could be children that are on the autistic spectrum disorder, that have social communication difficulties, that have ADHD, and children who are using sign language because they're deaf. So these are all groups of children that may have increased difficulty with theories of mind.